Dehradun is the winter capital and the most populous city in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. Dehradun is one of the counter magnets of the National Capital Region, being developed as an alternative center of growth to help ease the migration and population explosion in Delhi metropolitan area and to establish a smart city at Dehradun. Dehradun is located in the Doon Valley on the foothills of the Himalayas, nestled between the river Ganga on the east and the river Yamuna on the west.